Hey, what's up? Hi, this is my gingerbread house. Make the perfect gingerbread house. Christmas food, Christmas unboxing video. So the first thing we'll have to do, let me just rotate it real quick. And as you can see, we've got some nice people. So first you're gonna have to go on the ends, really dig in, keeping on. As you can see here, we got our nice little gingerbread family. Got some easy build royal icing. This belonged to the queen. Candy, it's like it's Halloween again. Yeah, no thank you. Unbox the house. Let's just, here we go. Just, come on. Am I even doing anything? Massage the icing pouch for 1 minute. Okay, here we go. Let's give it, there we go. Here we go. Now we gotta get this there. Just like, So, now we're gonna add our roof and fit. Yes, my precious. Oh yeah, that's what it says on the instructions to do. This actually looks delicious. My final product, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I've got everyone's favorite icing, and we've got all these nice little Christmas colors that are just littly sprinkled around it.
All right, it was a good shoot, everybody. Everybody, let's go home.
Wait, what? No.
All the lights.
No, give me that. Not done with this! Yeah, I'm gonna be going into hiding now.